Well, if you have questions about the federal student loan repayment restart, you're not alone. Many borrowers looked at their accounts yesterday and this morning and saw no payments were due. But the federal government said unpaid loans could impact credit reports. Our Kimber Collins joins us live in studio tonight. And Kimber, in Hawaii, we're talking more than 120,000 people who have pulled out those student loans. But these changes, they're leaving them confused.
That's right, Leigh. And on average, those borrowers owe more than 30 grand in loans. Like many, I also have federal student loans, which led me to dig deeper to find answers today. And for millions across the nation, we are in limbo right now.
The communication has been a lot of just hold because we don't know.
Student loan borrowers like Jasmine Lee are currently waiting to hear the future of student loan payments. Many like her have benefited from the Biden administration's SAVE plan and income-driven repayment options.
At the time, I was living in California, so moving back to Hawaii to be closer to my family while having this lower monthly payment was beneficial.
But starting in February, those options were put on pause pending a decision by the Supreme Court, leading to a general forbearance for borrowers.
Please note that you are currently in a forbearance. No action is needed while we await further direction from the Department of Education.
Looking online at accounts, many still show a SAVE plan registration, but with zero payments due, and in most cases, no interest is being added. Speaking with Advantage, one of 7 service providers for federal loans, they said the SAVE plan is not going to end.
So the SAVE plan is still going to be the SAVE plan. It's just that the benefits are going to change once the Supreme Court injunction is completed. So right now, you're just basically waiting for further instructions in regards to what changes would be made with the plan that you're on. So you're still on the SAVE plan.
Leaving Lee with more questions than answers.
My biggest fear is that I go through the process of reestablishing a payment plan with whatever is available now, and it still ends up pricing me out of my cost of living.
And since no payments are due, those enrolled in these programs will not be reported to any collections or have credit scores impacted. So the advice right now is to monitor the SAVE plan and IDR Supreme Court cases and hold off on any actions until then. Leigh?
All right, Kimber, since I still have you, there's another side to this. Those who are not in the SAVE or the IDR plans, which are currently under review, they still have their payments due. So what are some of their options?
Yes, getting back to that big May 5th announcement, reports show 20% of borrowers are delinquent on payments, meaning 90 days or more, and 5 million borrowers are in default, 360 days or more. If you fall into default category, you will be getting notifications in the next 2 weeks that the loans are now in collections, and the federal government could take money out of your paycheck to pay off that loan. Your options are to either make a monthly payment, enroll in an income-based repayments plan, or sign up for loan rehabilitation. Reporting in studio, Kimber Collins, Island News.